Hi guys, this is Team Beast Jesus. My name is George. On our team is Molly, Brad, and Jordan. And our web app is also called Beast Jesus, which was named after the painting done by Cecilia Jimenez over the fresco of Jesus in a church. We thought it would be funny to try to have people recreate famous works of art with a pixel art maker with a time limit of only 5 minutes.
So to begin our walkthrough, we're going to log in as a guest so that we can go ahead and start accessing our pixelated art page. And you can see now that we've landed on our pixel art page where you can see the imported image that we've gotten of a classic work of art. You can then select your color palette down here and begin building pixel by pixel a recreation of that great work of art. So in order to move to that page as a user, you can use our nifty sign in, sign up modal. So for demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and add a new user. And new user is going to be Jeff. Jeffy, why not? And we'll make it jeff.com. And our password, which is super secret. Now if Jeff is signed in, I'm going to go ahead and choose to save his credentials, and you can see now that we're back at this pixel page. We also have our profile page for each user and a gallery of the artworks. Let's go ahead and step back one more time and so we can show you guys the administrator functionality. This time, instead of signing up, we'll go ahead and log in as our admin. And once you get here, you can see the pixel arts that have been created, and you'll have the option as the administrator to clean up or delete some of these images. And now for some of the future of the Beast Jesus app, Molly will walk us through where this app is headed.
Yeah, so one thing that we want to do is create that 5-minute timer so that it will automatically stop letting them edit their pixel art after 5 minutes. And then they can click save and it'll save to the database. And then another thing that we want to do over here on the gallery page is eventually we want to be able to sort by which work of art it was, and then you can see all the pixelated images for that one piece of art. And then also on the profile page, eventually we want it to be bring up all the pixel arts that the user made, and then and people will be able to rate them.
Jordan here, just talking about the process. So we had some plenty of communication issues, and for a while George was working remotely. So really we had a lot of trouble kind of staying on the same page, keeping everyone informed of what each other was working on, and really keeping everything prioritized correctly so that we can continue working forward. So what we really got out of this is that communication is key when you're making a project. When you're working in a team, communication is like, without communication, you basically have nothing. So that's one reason I don't think we made it to MVP in time, but we had a lot of fun. We worked together. We learned how, to better work together in the future, and we're going to keep working on this. We're going to make it a good portfolio piece for all of us. So thank you for checking it out.